Welcome back to Beyond the Lens Productions, your source for all things automotive. I'm trying something a little different today. I want to do a StreamYard video for you guys. I would like to get into doing more of the StreamYard type videos and live streams for you. So I'm using this one basically to practice. So if I fumble around a bit here, please bear with me. I'm still kind of learning the program. Recently, I was at one of the local malls and they were showcasing some of the stock cars from one of the local tracks. That track would be the Merrittville Speedway, and it is the longest running dirt track in Canada and has been on operation for over 73 years, which is pretty incredible. They're about to have their season opener very soon. So I thought I would do a quick video for a little bit of a promotion for them as well. Anybody who lives here pretty much will know about this track, and many of them have probably been there. I've personally been there many times. It is a really fun Saturday night out. Just be prepared to come home, take a shower after, because you will be covered in dust and dirt, especially if it's one of those kind of hot, dry summer nights and you're sweating and the dust is flying up and it's just going to land on you and stick to you everywhere. But it's still a lot of fun. Still a lot of fun to watch. Anybody that knows anything about NASCAR basically knows this is really where NASCAR kind of originated from. So this is kind of still like a grassroots style type of NASCAR. And anyhow, I took a few videos here of some of the vehicles there at the mall. Now, I normally do all the videos with my GoPro with the display, and so I took it with my phone and realized that it up vertically to vertical style YouTube short video. And yeah, there go the kids and their motorized animals here. I really think I was born in the wrong generation. We never had anything cool like this when I was a kid. Anyhow, yes, this is one of the cars. Kind of over here, it's the same car. I just kind of took it from a different angle. As you can see, it went into a vertical video. And since I couldn't really cohesively put these few short video clips together to make a video that would actually look really good, I thought, you know what? I'm going to jump on StreamYard here and do a StreamYard video of it and see how it turns out. I would like to do more of these. And like I said, I'd like to get into some more live streaming as well. I think that would be really cool, and especially if there's anyone that would like to jump onto the video with me and talk about cars and that, I'm always up for that sort of thing. This here is, it's kind of like a dune buggy style. It's one thing you'll notice about this track. There's all kinds of different vehicles that'll get there, from old, compact cars like, geez, even Chevettes and Ford Escorts, and what else have I seen there? Chrysler Neon, uh, Honda Civic, of course. So I've seen those they'll go on there, and those are the ones that kind of crash up and crash into each other. And yeah, it's kind of a lot of fun to watch too. They'll have the traditional kind of NASCAR style vehicles there as well. They'll have like this kind of mid-size compact car like the Pontiac Pursuit or the G5. I'm not sure exactly what year this is, but it is one of those. So And you can see from the vehicles, there's a lot of local businesses and whatnot that support this track, which is really awesome to see. So anyhow, I didn't really want to make this video too long. I just wanted to quickly jump on here and see what everybody thinks of this style of video. Maybe put a bit more of a face to the channel. I haven't really been on here that much myself. Come the summertime, um, the area where I am is kind of, they say it's more of a quite a car culture around here. And now, pre-COVID, I know there was pretty much a car show, cruise night, some sort of thing like that, pretty much every night of the week. I don't think there was a night of the week where you couldn't, within an hour drive or less, get to a car show here. So I haven't looked into it yet since COVID, and I don't imagine it's really changed that much. So, what I would like to do and see if anybody's interested, I actually would like to go and not maybe just video record some of the car shows, but actually do some live streams. Take you along with me. I mean, guys at car shows are always love to talk about their vehicles, and hopefully, maybe I could get some interviews from people and whatnot as well. So, if that's something you would like to see, please leave me a comment below. Let me know that. And yeah, it can help me planning for future videos. Anyhow, that is all for now. So, please do the algorithm thing and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video.